Here, Antonius seems to be very arrogant. He says, I am as like to call thee so again, I may call you again as dog, to spit on thee again, to spurn thee too. I may spit on you, I may even kick you. If thou wilt lend this money, lend it not as to thy friends. If you are going to lend this money, don't lend it as if to your friend. For when did friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friend? So, have you ever heard a friend taking extra money or interest for the money that he has given? Barren metal here he means is money. Breed is interest. But lend it rather to thine enemy. You lend me the money as if to an enemy, who, if he break, if at all by chance he breaks the bond, that on a particular date he could not give it back, thou mayest with better face exact the penalty. So, in a better manner, you will be able to take the penalty. Shylock, why? Look you how you storm. See how you become angry. I would be friends with you and have your love. Forget the shames that you have stained me with. So, I'll be able to forget all that you have done to me and give you my love. Supply your present wants, and I can give you the amount that you need. And take no doit of usance for my monies, and I will not take even a doit means small amount, even a small amount as interest. Usance means interest. And you will not hear me. This is kind I offer. So you will not hear me on the way of speaking for interest. So therefore he says, this is the kindness I offer to you. Bassanio, this were kindness. Yes, it is surely kindness that you show. Shylock, this kindness will I show. Now what is the kindness he is going to show? He is explaining here. Go with me to a notary. Notary is a special lawyer who can draw up contracts, who make agreements. Seal me there via single bond. Single bond is signed by one particular person. Okay, both the parties will not sign, only one person would sign. And in a merry sport means pleasant joke. He is calling it as a merry sport. What is a merry sport he is going to make? If you repay me not on such a day, on a particular day, you are not paying me in such a place, on a particular day and in such a place, if you are not going to pay me such a sum or sums as are expressed in the condition, and the amount that is expressed or presented or written in the condition or the agreement, let the forfeit be, let the punishment be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh. So, the penalty will be 1 pound of flesh to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleaseth me. In whichever part of your body pleases me, I will be taking a pound of flesh. Antonio, content, ye faith. Certainly I agree to it. I'll seal to such a bond, I'll sign for such a bond, and say there is much kindness in the Jew, and tell everyone that he is really a kind Jew. Bassanio, you shall not seal to such a bond for me. Please don't sign for such a bond. I'll rather dwell in my necessity. I'll remain with my necessities rather than fulfilling my needs with such a cruel bond. Antonio, why? Fear not, man. I'll not forfeit it. Don't get frightened. I will not allow that bond to be expired. Within these 2 months, that's a month before this bond expires, I do expect a return of thrice 3 times the value of this bond. So he says, before this bond expires, 1 month before, which means within 2 months, his ships would return and he will get thrice 3 times the amount. That means 9 times the value of this bond. Shylock, oh Father Abraham, what these Christians are. So look at these Christians, whose own hard dealings teaches them suspect the thoughts of others. They themselves are dealing in an unjust manner and they are thinking that others also will do the same. Pray you, tell me this, I request you, tell me, if he would break his day, What should I gain by the exaction of the forfeiture? He is telling, tell me if he breaks this bond, which means he is not able to pay on a particular day. What will I gain by taking this penalty? Exaction means taking, forfeiture means penalty. A pound of man's flesh taken from a man is not so estimable, not valuable at all. Estimable means valuable. Profitable neither, he will not get any profit from it. As flesh of muttons, beefs, or goats, as the flesh of these animals which they usually consume. I say to buy his favor. I say, but he is telling, I do this in order to get his favor. I extend this friendship. He is calling this as if it is a friendship. If he will take it so, if not, adieu. If he is taking, it's okay. If not, he is not agreeing to this bond, then farewell. And for my love, I pray you, wrong me not. For the sake of my love, he is considering this as if he is his love towards Antonio, and if he is not going to sign this bond, he is not going to do anything. He is telling farewell and he is planning to go off. Antonio, yes, Shylock, I'll see unto this bond. I'll sign this bond. Shylock, then meet me forthwith at the notary's. Notary is a lawyer who can draw up deeds or make an agreement. Give him direction for this merry bond. So I will go to the notary and tell the notary about the conditions that has to be laid in the bond. He is calling this as a merry bond. And I will go and purse the ducat straight. I will go and get the money immediately. See to my house and look after, just to check my house. Left in the fearful guard. Fearful guard means careless guard. A guard who is not careful enough. Of an unthrifty knave. Knave is an unreliable person, a dishonest man, and who is spending lots of money. And presently I'll be with you. So I'll be come immediately. Antonio, hear thee, gentle Jew. Hurry up, gentle Jew. Exit Shylock. Shylock goes. The Hebrew will turn Christian. He grows kind. So he is making a comment. He is a Jew, now he may turn into a Christian because he started showing kindness, he says. Bassanio, I like not fair terms and a villain's mind. So he is showing here as if his words are very kind words, but his mind is that of a villain. He is speaking as if of friendship, merry bond, etc., but his mind is full of revenge. So he says, I like not fair terms and villain's mind. Antonio, come on. In this, there can be no dismay. Don't worry about it. My ships come home a month before the day. So, within 2 months or a month before the expiry of the bond, his ships would return. So, he is again assuring Bassanio not to worry about it. Before a month of the expiry of the bond, his ships would return. Exeunt, they all move out.